Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's freaking and Amazon. Thank you for coming back. Ooh, if you're new, please subscribe. Okay, I know I'm looking crazy, but I'm looking as crazy as my entire apartment is right now. Very unkempt, very crazy. A lot has been going on around here, you know. But today we're gonna do a little bit, small clean with me video. So I'm gonna start with my room because my bed is a mess. And then also I'm going to go down the entire, the entire apartment, the kitchen, downstairs to small coffee area, and I'm just gonna put that all together. So I'm gonna make this video as cool and as chill as possible. So sit back and enjoy. Grab a muffin or something, popcorn, whatever, just clean and chill with me, period. Okay, if you're new, please subscribe. Don't make it the last time you're seeing my face. Okay, check out my other videos. I'm gonna link it in the playlist here. So let's start. So today is my last night in Lagos. I'm going back to Abuja. My face has been ruined in this city, but that's That's the list of the numbers of issues. We're going to talk about that at a later time. I'm not ready to talk about the whole Lagos brouhaha, right? So yeah, can't wait to get back, take care of my hair, braid my hair, and all of that good stuff. I remember the last time I wore a wig, you guys, so I'm just gonna throw it on. Yeah, so I'm packing. Can y'all see that? I'm packing my boxes. Yeah. So today is my last day in Lagos, and yeah, I know I've looked like this for days. You guys, I've just been naked. I only throw this thing on when I need to make a video. I sent out all my clothes way beyond, yeah, so I have just this to hang on to and the dress I'm wearing to leave, and I did my laundry, so I don't want to wash too many things, so this is just like the only thing I need to wash now. Yeah. Good. So yeah, I need to shower, right? I need to shower. My hair is a mess, you guys, but I'm gonna loosen it and just look crazy, maybe. I don't know, but you guys are gonna see how I look to the airport. My flight is for 7 p.m, but it's Lagos, so you gotta leave early. So I'll probably leave the house by, say, what, 4:30, 4? I don't know, but I don't want to be caught up. The traffic in the city don't pay nobody. The traffic in the city no respect whatsoever. Okay? So, but that's it, and I remember wobbling all over the place, but you know. Okay. Bye. Alright guys, so I'm ready to go to the airport. This is 4 p.m. My flight is for 7. I don't know why this town is like this. Why do I have to leave the house 3 hours before my flight? Well, just in case there's traffic, I don't want to be ruined. But yeah, airport outfit check, guys. I look so good. I look so cute. Everything is giving. So I'm wearing this cute maxi gown from Topshop. Yeah. And a pair of sneakers. Ignore the trash there. Someone is trying to do laundry. But yeah, how do I look? Outfit. Wearing this nice gown. It's a maxi gown all the way down to the floor, not to my ankles, and it's from Topshop. That's just cute. That is just a nice, cute little beach wear. And then a pair of sneakers. How do I look? I know I look good. I know that's right. Big, very pretty. Yep. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, the girl's looking all snatched. No makeup, hair on check.
Good evening, passengers. This is your captain, Hot Girl Summer speaking. Thank you for joining us on flight TTS 9247 to the streets. As we begin to prepare for takeoff, please make sure your feelings are on airplane mode and your X is left on red. Thank you.